Yeah, very good evening, dear students. So today we are going to discuss about PNC problems. This is the first question. Tell me if you know the answer. Tell me. NCX is equal to 56. NPX is equal to, yeah, Parjivamara responding option 3. Let me see. Okay. I'm asking the value of N. Are you sure? First of all, what is the relation between NCX and NPX? It's very, very important. Anyone? NCX is equal to, what is the formula here? What is the formula? Some x factorial into NCX is equal to NPX. This is the formula. Because NPX is always greater than NCX. It is there, no? You can use this formula. Okay, x factorial is equal into 56 is equal to 336. 336 by 56, how much coming here? This is 6. 6, how to write? 3 factorial. X is 3 is coming. Fine. Still, question is not completed. What they're asking the value of n. So, 56 is the easiest number. That's why I'm using n C3 is equal to 56. Solve them. Hemant responding. Okay. N C3, I think all of you know formula. What is the formula? N factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial is equal to 56. Yeah, one more student responding. Good, yeah. Yeah, option is correct. Option 2 is correct, absolutely. So simplify. How much coming you can see? Anyone? 56. I think this simplification is little lengthy. Direct method is that possible? See, n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial into 56. Anyone? Simplify. 3 factorial is equal to 8 into 7. Dear students, how to write this one? So 3 factor means what here? 8 into 7 into 6. How to write? This one you can write 8 factorial by 5 factorial. 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 into 5 factorial. Like that. Comparing to the value of n is 8. B for Bombay option. Good, yeah. Okay, who is that? Hemant and Parthivarma. Well done. Good job. This is the formula. X factorial into NCX is equal to NPX. This one, tell me anyone. If the maximum number of trials required to open all the locks when there are n locks and n keys is 105, then what is the value of n? They're asking how many locks are there, how many keys are there? This is the question. Suppose if you want, tell me, maximum number of trials required to open all the locks. Suppose if you want to open the first lock, open the first lock, then anyone say, well, I'm on the good year. Let us see. To open the first lock, suppose maximum number of trials. How many are required? Anyone? Yeah, for first lock. Okay. What about second lock? Anyone? How many trials are required? Maximum number of trials. That is n minus 1. And so on this procedure, suppose what is the result is coming here? Here n minus 2. And so on procedure is going on. Then what you can say? Therefore, maximum number of trials required to open all the locks. What the answer is coming, anyone? So in this case, what the result is coming here? So first lock open n trials or second lock opens n minus 1 trials. So in this case, I am using fundamental principle of Edison rule. And so on, 3 plus 2 plus 1 like that. Okay. What is the formula? Sum of the first n natural number, n into n plus 1 by 2. For the given maximum number of trials, how much is given? See carefully, 105. Dear students. So using this formula, tell me anyone, what is the value of n is coming? That is the question. How to write? N into n plus 1. This is look like product of two consecutive numbers. What the result is coming here? 105 into 2 is how much? Anyone? 210. Am I correct? 210 means product of two numbers means 14 into 15. Dear students. So n can be what? 14. So how many locks? How many keys are there here? There are 14 locks and 14 keys are there. So n should be 14. This is the question. It's very important. Once again, I'm repeating. So to open the first lock means maximum trials n. Second lock means n minus 1 because already one trial is completed. So continue this process n minus 2. Finally, one trial left for the last lock. So maximum number of trials required to open all the locks means what? N plus n minus 1 and so on. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 105. Simplify, n is equal to 14. Otherwise, we can use quadratic equation, no problem. So these models are very, very important. Just see. See carefully. Ready the question? How many different signals can be given using any number of flags from 5 flags of different colors? This is the question. How many flags are there? There are 5. This is the case. Last option is 1920 is given. Okay. Anyone? What is the case? 5 flags means what here? Idea is there. Suppose how many different signals can be given using any number of flags from 5 flags of different colors. Like that. What is the meaning? Number of signals using, suppose single flag is there. How many ways can you using? We can use either this one or this one or this one or this one. How many ways? That is 5p1 permutations. Order is very important, dear students. Okay. So here also number of signals using 2 flags means here 2 different. Question is given 2 different flags. Is what is the case? I can choose any 2 flags continuously. That means for here 5p2 order. Either for see 1. I'm giving numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can use 1, 3 or 2, 4 or 3, 5 like that. So I continue this process using 3 different flags. 5p3, 4 different flags. 5p4 using 5 different flags. 5p5. Okay. Now finally, what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? Number of required number of different flags is, you can use 5 P1 or 5 P2 or 5 P3 or like that it's coming. I can use only one color or two colors or three colors like that. That is the meaning. Okay, students, what is the 5 P2? I can choose two different colors, three different colors. That is the meaning. So how much, you know very well. Use the formula. How much coming? 5 P1 is how much? 5. 5 P2 means 5 factorial by 3 factorial. That means 20. How much? 2. 5 into 4 into 3, 12. That is 6. 60. Next, 120. 5 factorial means anyone? 120. Both are same. So simplify. 240, 300. 300 plus 25. 325 is the correct answer. Three different flags, 4 different flags, 5 different flags. It's a simple question. Anyone? Tell me. A person has 5 shirts, 4 coats, and 7 ties. Number of ways in which he can wear them is, what is the answer? Simple answer. See, a person who wants to go to Delhi from Rajahmundry via Hyderabad. Okay, na? So Rajahmundry to Hyderabad. There are 3 ways. Hyderabad to Delhi, 4 ways. So how many ways he can go? That is the question. Yeah, Padri Verma, your answer is correct. Total how many ways? 12 ways. Why? Because 3 into 4, principle of, what is that? Multiplication rule. Fundamental principle rule under multiplication rule. So here also, number of ways, number of arrangements, simply is 5 ways or 4 or 7. How much coming? 20. That means 140. Option is B. So you can wear 5 shirts, simultaneously 4, simultaneously 7 ties. One shirt, one coat, one tie, like that. 2 sets, one coat, 7 ties. Combinations here. X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, like that you can take. Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, 4 codes. So total how many combinations are there? 140 combinations are there. That is the question. A very easy question. Number of ways in which the letters of the word successful be arranged is, number of ways in which the letters of the word successful can be arranged. What is the answer? Successful means how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Completed answer. Abhinay, Harisurya, what is the answer? Number of arrangements here, number of ways in which the letters can be arranged. Ten factorial by any letter is repeated or not, check it. So S is repeated how many times? 3 times. Divided 3 factorial. C is repeated 2 times. Remaining repeated 1 factorial into 1 factorial like that. It is not required. That is the meaning. Any letter is repeated. That's all. Where is the 2 factorial coming here? S is repeated 3 times. Okay. U is also there. No? Yeah. U is also repeated into 2 factorial. So answer is coming 10 factorial by. So like that, number of arrangements of this number of ways in which the letters of the word mathematics can be arranged. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial by how much? 2 factorial into A, 2 factorial into T, 2 factorial into like that. That is the answer. Check it. M is repeated 2 times. A is also repeated 2 times. T also repeated 2 times. Anything else? That's all. What is the answer? It is a question. The number of arrangements of the letter of the word papaya in which the 2P do not appear adjacently. 2P's do not come adjacently. Simple method. How to solve? No two letters means no 2P's come together. That is the question. No. Check it, Hemant. Generally, this type of models, what I'm doing here, total number of arrangements directly I'm taking. Total number of arrangements means for here no restrictions. How many ways? Papaya means how many letters are there? See? Yeah. Check it, Abhinay and Hemant. How many letters are there here? 6. Factorial by A repeated 3 times. P repeated 2. This is the question. Okay, dear students. So in this case, what I'm doing here, total number of arrangements. This one. In this case, I'm removing number of arrangements when two letters P, when the letters P comes together. What is the case? Total number of arrangements. So first of all, I'm saying simplify. 6 factorial by 3 factorial is how much? 6 factorial is how much? 120 means 720. 720 by 6. 120. 120 by 2 means 60. Okay. Total number of arrangements when pieced together. Means what here? In this case, sorry, it's not working. Just a minute, it's not working. In this case, what here? Like that. One more letter is missing. What is that? Yeah. P consider only one letter. Remember how many are there? 5 factorial by 3 factorial, dear students. See how much? 20. Harishuriya, correct. Now see, question is clear. Now, total number of arrangements. What the case? What's really the question? When no two pieces come together, that's the question. When pieces come together means what here? Total number of arrangements case 60 minus P always come together means 20. So answer is coming 40. Option is A. It's very, very important. Two members are responding option B, two members are responding option A. So please be careful this one. Try to avoid confusion, okay? What is the absolutely correct? Harshurya, good year. Same, see, these are only models. See, we have to observe these models. Two P's come together, no P come together. Total number of arrangements. Very, very important. Yeah, it's a very, very funny question. Read the question carefully. The number of ways in which, once read the question, the number of ways in which 3 girls are there and 10 boys are there can be seated in 2 vans, each having numbered seats 3 in front, 4 at the back. It is the question. This is the van here. Front side, how many seats are there? 3. Back side, there are 4 vans. This is the question. How many vans are there? There are 2 vans. Each van, front row, 3 rows, 3 seats are there. Back side, back row means rear seat having 4 seats means back side. So how many ways you can arrange them? Total how many are there? 3 girls, 10 boys. Anyone? Right? Total how many seats are there? Total number of seats in 2 vans. 4 plus 3 each van into twice. There are 14 seats totally. Okay. Total number of persons, how many are there? 13. Number of persons, 13. That is the answer. Therefore, number of ways simply are number of arrangements. What is the answer? Here we have to keep a P permutation or combination. Yes, Harishwarya, he is in form right now. Good year. Permutation is one. Proceeding for the next question. What is the answer? In a meeting, everyone had shake hands with everyone else. It was found that 66 handshakes were exchanged. Number of persons are there in the meeting. How many persons are there in the meeting? It's a very basic question here, students. Giving a handshake means how many persons are required. Suppose when I say handshake is required means how many persons? Minimum 2 persons. Clear? So here number of persons, how many are there here? N. So total number of handshakes, how many are there totally? What is the formula? NC2. N means what here? Number of persons. N represents number of persons. So NC2 is how much given? 66. That is the simplified. Anyone? NC2 means what is the formula? N into N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 66. Simplify. N into N minus means this is one is also what is that? Product of two consecutive numbers. 66 into 132. That means 11 into 30, 11 into 12. So N can be what? That is the answer. 12 minus 1 is 12. So number of persons is yes. What is the answer? Right? Number of ways in which 5 prizes can be given to any one of the students. Any one of the students, how many students are there here? 8 students are there. Okay. How many ways? Means what here each person receives all the prizes, no problem. Each student receives all the prizes. So how many ways you can distribute them? So means what here 8 students means we can take x1 like that, x2, x3, x4. What how many persons are there? 8. So for this person receives how many ways? Prizes, anyone? 5 ways. Am I correct? For this person receives how many ways? For this person? Like that for this person? So means what here? No option. First confirm Pardi or me are responding 2 options. So means what? So means what here? What the answer is coming? So this question getting a point here. So means what here? Suppose better like that. Price cases. Suppose directly I'm taking price cases. Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5. Same concept is there 5 boxes, 3 letters like the same concept. So for this price, how many all the persons are eligible of? Like that we can take. What the case coming here? Is the case. So here talking about prices. Don't say 5 or 8. I'm saying what are the eligibilities for each person receiving 5 prizes at a time, either X1 or X2 or X3. So finally, what here? Number of ways these 5 prizes can be distributed to 8 students. Number of ways. That is 8 for 5. Option B. So same concept. What is the case? Number of ways in which 5 letters can be given to 8 different boxes. For the case, 5 letters given to 8 different boxes. What is the answer? 8 for 5 on here also. Okay, good here. Anyone? Just to discuss a handshakes concept. Idea is that number of persons means engaging. Just to discuss no question somewhere. Yeah, same model. Total how many handshakes are there? 66. How many persons are there? N. So total number of handshakes. What is the formula? NC2. But same models here. In a badminton tournament, each player played one game with all the remaining players. So number of players participated in the tournament if they played 1 or 5 games. What is your answer? How many players are there? Each player playing the tournament, playing the game with the remaining all the players. But they were playing 1 or 5 games. The number of players, how many are there? This is the question. So concept is what here? Number of players means we don't know to suppose take X or N, anything. So number of players. X suppose. The number of tournaments, how many are there? Number of tournaments, the number of play games. That means NC2. Participating person, how many persons? 2 persons are participating to playing a game. Okay. NC2 is equal to 105. Simple word, that is the answer. So as usual, n into n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 105. N into n minus 1 is equal to how much? 210. So how much coming? N into n minus 1 is equal to 14 into 15. So n can be what? 15, that is the answer. So option is B. Give the conclusion. Number of players is 15. Same concept. Number of handshakes. Seconds. Same concept. Ready? I'm proceeding. So number of ways in which 5 plus signs and 5 minus signs can be arranged in a row so that no two minus signs are together. So we are talking about minus symbols. Of course, equals are there, no plus or no minus come together. How to solve? So in this case, you have to observe this one, dear students, 5 plus or 5 minus means these are identical. So same question I'm changing number of ways in which 5 boys and 5 girls can be arranged in a row so that no two girls come together. What is the answer? Here I'm talking about plus symbols or minus symbols. What is the answer? I'm adding one more question. What is the answer? Challenging anyone. So in this case, suppose plus is there. I'm fixing plus symbols. How many are there? 5. Okay. So no two minus symbols are coming together. Means what here? See carefully. So I can fix in them here. Minus symbol here, 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 here. Dear students, what I'm doing here, your plus symbol is fixed. It's very important. Just that's why I'm adding different models. See, Arduino 2n are getting 2n means what? Okay. Let me see. What I'm saying here I'm fixing plus symbols. Okay. What they are asking, and one more thing, these are same. Same means identical. So these plus symbols can arrange them how many ways? Anyone? Only one way. Be careful. And these minus symbols, how many ways can arrange them? Anyone? How many places are there here? 1, 2, anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 places are there, dear students. That means what here? Number of, what is the case? Arranging. Number of ways, simply number of ways is equal to total how many places are there? 6 factorial by 5 factorial. How much? 6 only.